Welcome back to Looking or Listening, everyone. I'm Wen, your South Texas RE/MAX agent. Today we're in Brownsville, Texas at beautiful 230 Jonathon Court in this quiet little neighborhood just minutes from the industrial park. I don't want to take up too much of your time, so let's get started.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Thank you for touring 230 Jonathon Court with us today. This beautiful modern home here in Brownsville, Texas is perfect for entertaining. If you're interested in a private viewing, just give me a call on the number listed on the screen or email me at lookingerlisting@gmail.com.